So the front flip. When I first started learning this move, honestly, it took me quite a few tries. I always landed low. In my opinion, it's a lot more difficult than the back flip. But for some reason, Jaclyn over here, on her first try outside, literally landed the front flip. I don't know if you guys saw that Instagram post from a couple of weeks ago on Jaclyn's Instagram page, but she literally landed the front flip on the ground first try. It was like no problem for you. So honestly, I'm wondering, and I bet like a lot of people out there are probably wondering, like, how did you land that? Like, what are your secrets? We want some tips, we want some advice. So that's kind of what the video is gonna be today, is Jaclyn giving her advice on the front flip. But you gotta focus.
So if you have access to a trampoline, the first thing that I would recommend would be to try a few front flips on the trampoline first. Just get comfortable having your feet go over your head and landing again. Obviously the timing's a little different, but that's okay because you can sort that out later. If you don't have access to a trampoline, maybe trying it on a mattress or some other spongy surface like a couch, I don't know. So after you feel comfortable doing a normal front flip on the trampoline, the next thing that I would recommend to start getting you in the habit of flipping fast and talking faster and getting ready for that high impact from the front flip would be to take a small step on the trampoline and then go into it. So you might land a little lower, you're gonna need to spin faster, and that's kind of the whole point. So if you get comfortable doing that, then you are probably ready to start trying to take it to the ground. So now that you are ready to take it to the ground, what I would recommend first, if you can do a round off like this, then you can start morphing that into a front flip. I know that's really sketchy, but it helped me. So I would run up and block, just like I'm gonna do a front flip, and get in the habit of really throwing my arms down, and that helps you like feel the whip that you should be feeling for your front flip without having to commit to a front flip. So like this. And just turn it into a weird round off. So if you can just do that a couple times, run up, block, and really throw your arms down, that'll help you get the movement down for when you try the actual front flip later.
That's interesting. I never...
It really does help though. This is what helped me like break through that fear. I just take a short run up. I found a long run up to kind of be detrimental to me because then I want to like move forward more than up. So just kind of a short run up, and then I take a little hop and jump and throw my arms down, and then I tuck kind of below my knee right about here. I'm not that flexible, so I can't really bring my legs up to my chest easily, so I kind of go out a little bit, like to the side.
Nice.
I don't know.
So the secret to landing it was honestly, it seems like getting that comfort on the trampoline with that like one step bounce.
Mm-hmm.
And being able to land on your feet on the trampoline, even though it is a trampoline, just like being able to whip quickly seemed to really help you.
Yeah, one other thing, I think a lot of people have a misconception that they're gonna land their front flip super high, and you might, because I did, but on other tries I landed super low. So just to be ready for that impact, the front flip is really forceful, especially at first when you're not that efficient at it. So to kind of do a roll and pop up in a squat position, because you might land this low on your first couple tries, was helpful just to like mentally get ready and prepare for that landing. So obviously this isn't a front flip, it's a roll, but if you just do a roll and then pop right up, it just kind of mentally gets you prepared for
just doing it like snappy
happens.
And quick, right?
Right, yeah.
So it doesn't even really matter. Wow, see that? I like that. Those are some great tips. I really appreciate you sharing that with everybody.
I hope it helps.
Yeah, you know, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe. We have more videos coming out. Peace. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you in the next movie.